Reading electrical and built-in codes on a personal digital assistant, commonly called a PDA, offers several advantages. Firstly, portability and convenience allow for easy reference of codes on the go. Secondly, search functionality allows you to quickly find specific sections or keywords within large documents. Thirdly, annotation capabilities allows you to mark up codes with notes and highlights. There are also some disadvantages to consider. Firstly, screen size can be limiting for reading extended text over long periods. Secondly, navigation may be more difficult to navigate through large documents compared to a physical book. Thirdly, battery life can be a concern, especially for extended use. When considering a PDA for reading codes, memory is an important factor. For the IBC and NEC libraries, a 16 MB memory would likely be insufficient. For a comfortable experience, consider a PDA with at least 32 MB of memory. There are several types of PDA that are suitable for code reading. Pocket Personal Computer PDA run Windows Mobile and offer a wide range of features, including support for portable document format, or PDF, readers, and annotation tools. POM PDA are known for their simplicity and long battery life. They have a limited range of compatible software, but several PDF readers are available. Android or iOS smartphones, while not specifically designed as PDA, offer similar functionality and can run PDF readers. Some specific product suggestions include the POM et al., a classic POM PDA with 32 MB of memory. It provides a stable and reliable platform for code reading. The Hewlett-Packard IPAQ HX2790 is a Windows Mobile PDA with 64 MB of memory, offering a larger screen and more powerful processor. The Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini is an Android smartphone with a 32 GB micro-secure digital card slot, providing access to a wide range of applications including specialized PDF readers. Here are some tips for organizing codes on a PDA. Firstly, use a file manager to create separate folders for each code or document. Secondly, name files consistently to make searching and navigation easier. Thirdly, consider using a PDF editor to create bookmarks or create links to specific sections. And lastly, back up your code library regularly to a computer or cloud storage.